Se anche tu non fossi il mio padre.
It was them, wasn't it? They wouldn't stop until they see my candidate bear it, if he isn't already.
Your son is fine.
Did you find him?
He came to see me a few days ago.
Why hasn't he come home yet?
Check out Prince.
Guilty of the crime of drug trafficking to 1 year and 2 months
In prison and a fine of 700,000 pesetas. Mr. Manuel Fernandez Badin, taken into account his cooperation with the law, guilty of the crime of drug trafficking to 8 months in prison and a fine of 600,000 pesetas.
Cominciamo da seduti. Incrocia le gambe e lascia che le ossa del bacino si radichino a terra.
And how do we do that? If they set foot here, they'll get thrown in jail.
Look at his energy. And that coat. So shiny.
We could really use some pap delivered to our step.
First off, a very happy birthday to your son,